7 dimensions of the world. All the derived physical quantities can be expressed in terms of some combination of the 7 fundamental or base quantities. Akoina physical quantities khudingmakse hairiba makhada pijariba fundamental or base quantities hairiba sigi kanoda loinama akoina express tawba yai. 7 dimensions of the world Singduti karino haita the dimensions of length denoted by L, dimensions of mass M, dimensions of time capital T, dimensions of electric current A or I. Like the E capital E bayawi, like the I ne represent the bayawi. Dimensions of temperature K Kelvin, dimensions of luminous intensity, that is candela CD, dimensions of amount of substance, that is mole. So equivalent dimensions of a physical quantity haita the karino haita the powers or exponents to which the fundamental quantities or base quantities must be raised to represent the quantity completely. Say chamna abda koina dimensions of a physical quantity haita gati magi mangonda base quantity is the kaba exponent or power to bini. Say koi makhada piriba eno singsi physical quantities karasigi dimension easy. Density is kaino mass by volume ni, mass by volume. So mass is represented by M, third bracket sinagani, volume is L cube. So dimension of density is M L minus 3. So minus E by naduga. Mathang the force is according to Newton's second law. Force is mass into acceleration. So dimension of mass is M, dimension of acceleration is L T minus 2. So dimension of force is ML T minus 2. Now kinetic energy is half into mass into square of the velocity. So dimension say half city constant in a quite dimension kana de. So dimension of mass is M, dimension of velocity is L T minus 1. So square, so it is M L square T minus 2. Now, dimension of momentum. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. So, dimension of momentum is dimension of mass and dimension of velocity. So, it is M L T minus 1. Then universal gravitational constant denoted by G. Sigi G ki dimension G yamna kanode yam hangali class 11 gi council gi exam ta. So we consider two masses M1, M2 separated by a distance R. So the force between the two masses is G M1 M2 by R square. So G, dimension of G is dimension of F, dimension of R square divided by dimension of M1, dimension of M2. So F ki dimension di ML T minus 2 L square divided by M square. So koina finally kamaina ibe aage haida M minus 1 L cube T minus 2. So this is dimension of universal gravitational constant.